Hi guys, this is Rishabh Jaiswal and today I'm going to talk about maintaining healthy skin through simple lifestyle modifications. Yes, you heard that right. Skin changes and health can also be improved through modifying some of our daily life habits. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and watch the video till the end. So let's get started. Formula number 1. Exercise. Exercising is a must. I know you all have heard this thousands of times but never knew the real reason why. So the logic behind exercising is that it improves the overall health of your skin and the supply of oxygen. This makes the dead skin removal easy and facilitates fresh cell production. Exercising for 20 minutes a day is also sufficient, and most importantly, deep breathing exercises along with pranayam like Anulom Vilom is very effective in nourishing and improving the skin. Formula number 2. Nutrition. Whenever we have an energy releasing process going on in the body, it releases free oxygen radicals which are capable of bonding with some other free electrolytes in our body, and then they accumulate in the cells, which is not healthy for our skin. This can further result in moles and pigmentation. Therefore, antioxidants consumption is very necessary so that they can bind to the free oxygen radicals and stop them from accumulating. Hence, foods like berries are very important to be eaten regularly. Also, along with that, citrus fruits like oranges, sweet lime, tomatoes and lemons are really good for our skin as they provide a lot of vitamin C to our skin, which provides radiance and suppleness to our skin. And last but not the least, as we all know, fried junk and over fatty foods should be a big no-no. Formula number 3. Moisturization. Moisturizing the skin with a good moisturizer is very necessary after exfoliating and cleansing your skin with a good range of products which suits your body. Avoid using soaps to cleanse as they are harsh on your skin. All you have to keep in mind while choosing a moisturizer is your skin type and the season. If you have dry skin or it is the winter season, you can wear a heavy moisturizer. But if you have an oily skin type and if it is summers and monsoons, pick a light moisturizer which does not increase the oil level in your skin pores. And lastly, try using gentle products that are not loaded with a lot of chemicals and have a good amount of natural and skin-friendly ingredients. Try these formulas today and let me know the skin changes that you notice in the comment section. And guys, like the video, share it with your friends and do not forget to comment and subscribe to the channel.